say serious. I'll be better without you, but they don't know you like I do. Or at least the size I thought I knew. I can't bear this time. It drags on as I lose my mind, reminded by things I find, like notes and clothes you've left behind. Wake me up when all is done. I won't rise until this battle's won. My dignity's become undone.
It's been a while since I seen your face, and I'm trying to erase these same mistakes. I see you in my dreams, so I stay awake, but it's too late to let go. So I'm right back to hate with no fake. I'm in the front of the gates of hell, and the devil knows me well when I'm trying to yell, trying to make bell, but it's like I fail. Every time you're around, life pulls me towards the ground, just one round and then I'm down. Damn.
Some say I'll be better without you. They don't know you like I do, or at least the size I thought I knew.
Why do everything remind me of what used to be? It was just you and me against the planet. Now I can't stand it, seeing you with other guys, misunderstanding, drinking every night, but it's not how I planned it. Just so much pain. Lord bless me with sunshine and dry up all the rain, cause I'm on fire but no flames. I'm locked down but no change of phone number but no rain. So I put the gun in my head and cock it but no bang. So wake me up cause I know I'm dreaming. It's getting hard breathing and I know you're leaving. So what's the meaning? You say you love me, but what you really feel, what's really real? What's the deal? I know you know me very well. Time could tell, love can heal, but that's not the case. It says too late to make it right. I'm in the ring, but you ain't down to fight. So what we're doing, who we're fooling, just each other, damn.
Some say I'll be better without you. They don't know you like I do, or at least the size I thought I knew.
It's time to move on and listen to a new song. I'm tired of fighting, my mind's out of control, while my heart's frightened. All this pain gives me strength, so what's the use of fighting? Feel so much alive, but it's like my soul is dying. But I keep trying, never stop denying. The truth is in front of me, but I keep lying. Lord, give me the strength so I can keep fighting, cause the devil's on my back and he keeps eyeing me, he's blinding me. All this pain and suffering, I can't take it, cause I barely made it out of jail. It's how I feel when I hate it. Love is overrated, I overplayed it. I held it down and raped it, I never forgave it. Now what's the use? Don't wanna be wrong, just trying to find the truth. Pouring my guts out in this booth, it's what I do. It's hard to understand cause I speak the truth, and I'ma let loose and do what I do. It's up to you, damn.
Some say I'll be better without you. They don't know you like I do, or at least the size I thought I knew.
I sit around, it's got me thinking about them weekends when I used to sneak in inside your house for some little freaking. Just memories, that's all it be. Just thank the Lord for what I have, and I'm glad to make it past 23. So feel free to judge me. She said that she loved me, how lovely. Don't rub me the wrong way, cause I will explode, leave your guts on that runway. Now let me slow it down before I leave you on that one way. Some said that I'm going crazy, cause I was born hated. Stay faded cause I was a problem child till I graduated. And somehow trouble finds me in hiding. Gotta keep reminding myself to speak the truth. I love you more, I know you do. You shoot me with them words, but I'm bulletproof, with nothing to lose. With passion, trust issues about to blow through the roof. But it's okay, cause I'll do better without you. Damn.